Hi everyone, welcome to DIY Ideas. Today I'm showing you a lovely scarf in awesome colors, and today we're doing a pattern as well. So you're gonna see how you can do something like this. It's gonna be easy, we're gonna be working in rows, and yeah, that's all there is to say about it. So I'm gonna show you what wool I used and how I did it. So if you wanna see, stay tuned. So you guys, this is the sky from Woolly Hugs, and you see this awesome color gradient. So I already took the middle out, and you can see here the beige that we start with, a pretty light shade. And yeah, you can even see multiple little threads that actually builds the yarn itself. Yeah, pretty interesting, super soft. So this is for a 6 to 7 millimeter hook or needle. And yeah, color number 38. And it's 100 grams, 100% cotton, and 250 meters of length. So yeah, we start with the beige and we end up with this awesome purplish shade. So yeah, let's get started. So first I'm gonna do 16 chains to start our scarf. Then and 16, there we go. So I'm leaving the first 3 out, and then into the 4th one I go in and I'm gonna do a treble there. Then I'm gonna do 2 chains, and into the same spot I'm gonna do a single. So that way I get this little bow here. So now we skip 2 and then we do a treble. And then another treble. So this time we're doing 2 trebles. So the first time around the chains kind of replaced that, these ones here. So now we need the 2 trebles so that it looks the same. So yeah, we're basically doing 2 trebles and then a chain and then a single. 2 chains instead, sorry. So 2 chains and then a single. Leave 2 out. 2 trebles, 2 chains, single. Yeah, so you're gonna get these little bows and a little bit different structure, so it's not completely flat, the row. And yeah, we're again leaving 2 out, 2 trebles, 2 chains, and a single, all into the same spot. And yeah, I have 1 more to go, so this is what I have so far, 4 times. So I'm gonna have 5 times total, and if you want to do more, you can just increase the number of chains you start with. So into the very first chain we started with, we're doing again the same thing, 2 trebles, 2 chains, and a single. So this is my first complete row, and now we're gonna do 3 chains for the height. We're gonna turn, and this time we're gonna go into these bows. And just like last time, since the chains replaced the first treble, I'm just doing 1 in this first piece. So another treble, then 2 chains, and then a single into the bow. And then we're gonna continue. Again, the same thing, now this time just around the bow, super easy to find. So 2 trebles, 2 chains, and then a single. So the bows are the biggest holes that you have on here. They're going to be super easy to find when you start the second row. And in every next row, it's again going to be the same thing. Oh, I have here a little knot. Let me see if I can fix it. I think it's staying here, but yeah, we can still work with it. It's not going to be visible later. Let's untangle the yarn a little bit. So 3 packs done. There we go. So now I have just the one left. So I'm again doing 2 trebles, 2 chains, and a single. And yeah, this is our second row. So this is what we have after 2 complete rows. And yeah, you see the spots, the biggest holes for the next row, that's what we're going to go in, but we're going to repeat the exact same thing we just did. And yeah, I'm going to continue in this manner till I get a color change, and I want to show you that. So we're doing 3 chains for the height again, and then we're going to turn, and again the same thing. Just 1 treble in this first piece, 2 chains and a single. And then from there on, it's always 2 trebles and 2 chains and a single. There we go, the single. And now we're at the next piece. So just keep going exactly the same way as you did so far. And you see just after a couple of stitches how easy this is, and you're really not gonna take a long time to learn the pattern. It's really simple, and it does yield an amazing result. So we're done, and yeah, this is 3 rows total, so you already kind of can see the structure that we have on here. So these little boxes kind of have the stitches going in different directions, but you're going to be able to see this a lot better after a couple more rows. Okay, you guys, here is a light color change incoming, so I wanted to show you what that looks like. And I have a couple more rows done, so you can see the structure really nicely, and I think it looks really cute. So yeah, I still have quite a bit to go, so I'll show you what I have when I'm done with it. So yeah, this was the update regarding the first color change, and I'm gonna be back when I've done the whole thing. So you guys, I'm at the end, and you see I have a completely different color than what I started with. So yeah, I pulled out the thread here, so you see I have just a tiny bit left over, and it was really perfect for this one last row. And yeah, I need to weave that in and the beginning as well. So the white one, the beige one, yeah, right. And that's pretty much all I have to do, but our scarf is already done. And I'm just going to show you the different color changes, so they change really gradually, and I really love that about it. And yeah, I'm going to try to put the entire thing in front of you. There's a lot of different sections, but I think it looks really wonderful. So this is about 2 meters and 20 centimeters of length, so a pretty long scarf. If you do a little bit bigger width, then it's going to be a little bit shorter, but yeah, this is what I got from just the one ball. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, feel free to shoot a thumbs up. You can also subscribe to our channel, and that way stay updated with everything else we post. If you click on the notification bell, you'll get notified every time we post. So thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye!